Vamos a bailar. Vamos a bailar. Vamos a bailar. What's good, prima donnas? Back again today with another video, and I literally filmed this intro earlier, so if the lighting looks off is because now the sun is going down great. So when I went to edit, I peeped that I had lipstick on my teeth. Not a good look, so I had to refilm the intro. So anyway, what's good, prima donnas? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the MAC Selena collection. This is not a Selena inspired look, you guys. I'm literally just showcasing the MAC Selena collection, because if you would have leave it to me, I would have did full-on blown red lips, some bangs and all of that. But we're not transforming into Selena today. So anyways, and I did get to pick up the palette and one of the lipsticks. I could not get my hands on the highlighter, you guys. If you guys watch my makeup haul, my last video, you guys know that the highlighter was sold out. I was so upset. So I did get my hands on the palette as well as the lipstick. Now the palette is a little dirty because I just did my makeup with it, but you guys, the palette is stunning. So it has the little itty bitty bamba bra on the cover of it, which I love. This is what the palette looks like, which is super cute. I definitely had to use that shade right there. I also did pick up the lipstick. I did pick up the shade. This is Selena Vibe, which is just a really pretty nude. And this is the packaging of the lipstick. I will never use this, you guys. This is definitely like a collector's item for me. And yeah, this is what the lipstick looks like. So besides using the Selena collection, a lot of you guys wanted to see me use the new UOMA Beauty foundation that I did mention as well as in my makeup haul. So yeah, I did also use the foundation and the concealer in today's video. And you know, spoiler alerts, I'm in love. Oh my god, let me stop rambling, and I can't wait to jump into this video. Thumbs up if you guys do enjoy, and definitely hit that subscribe button before you go. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye. Okay guys, so jumping straight in, my hair literally looks a mess because I washed it last night. So went ahead and did one eye off camera just to save us some time. That way I kind of have an idea of what we're doing. So I just decided to do a little neutral moment, but of course try to incorporate as many shades as I can. The first shade I'm going to take is this really pretty neutral brown right here. And I'm going to actually put this into the crease kind of as a transition shade. And I am using this on a Morphe Jeffree Star brush. This shade is so pretty, you guys. Like, I love just plain neutral tones like this. Y'all know. I forgot how buttery and high quality MAC shadows are, that it's like, damn. God, your loud tablet. Okay. Thank you, babe. Close the door, please. Thank you, babe. Love you. Moving on, this is a Morphe M433 brush. This is more of like a crease brush, and I'm actually going to go in with the same exact shade, you guys, but I'm actually just switching up the brush. Sometimes just changing up the brush can actually kind of like change what the eyeshadow looks like. Stamp this right here on the outer corner and start to now bring it into my crease. As you guys can see, it looks like I used two different eyeshadows, and it's not. So that's like a little trick, especially for beginners. If you don't have a lot of eyeshadows, girl, just switch out the brush and it'll look like you have two different eyeshadows on your lid. That's pretty much all I did for the crease. I kind of kept it pretty simple. This look overall is just pretty simple, you guys, and I haven't done kind of like a neutral moment in a minute because yeah, no, I've just been going hard with the damn bright colors and things like that. I'm going in with that really gorgeous like reddish shade. Oh my god, y'all know I had to use that shade. Oh my god, y'all heard my back crack? Oh. Yo, I feel like I'm so stiff, you guys, and my back is killing me today. You guys, my back be killing me, especially sitting in a chair. This is a little TMI, but when I was in delivery with Autumn, I did actually get an epidural, And I got my epidural so late, you guys. Like, I literally took my epidural probably like 30 minutes right before Autumn came into this world. And girl, let me just say that I moved so much when they were putting in the epidural. And if you guys, for all my youngins or for all my non-parents, an epidural is basically like medicine that they give you to numb you from the waist down when you are giving birth. So it is basically a needle that they put into your spine, in your lower spine, and you have to stay as still as possible because it can literally make you cripple, like if they put it in wrong. And I just kept having contractions after contraction after contraction while they were trying to put in my epidural. And I struggled to stay still. And I know that I moved. And ever since then, you guys, my back has never been the same. I don't know if this has happened to any other moms, but girl, ever since that epidural, I feel like I've now always am complaining about my back. And I cannot sit up straight or like sit in a chair for too long because I just feel so stiff. And I feel it like right where they put the epidural, like in my lower spine. Oh my god, it is so painful. But am I the only one that is experiencing this? That had nothing to do with this look, but had to let y'all know that. Anyways, so now I am just gonna pop this shade right in my outer corner. I'm slowly now going to bring this into the outer corner of the crease, kind of like that. So you're gonna wiggle the brush in this outer corner, and this is how you're gonna like blend out that area. And I love that shade. Oh my god, look at what that just did, you guys. That shade is gorgeous. Now for the glitter on the lid, I'm going to be actually using, this is from Hard Candy. They actually just sent me a PR package and they sent me the new Poppin' Pigments. This is their Glitter Stay Eyeshadow Primer. This is what it looks like. This is super similar to the NYX Glitter Glue Primer. Is that what it's called? So I'm giving this one a try, and so far so good. I have no fallout whatsoever. Amazing. So it's clear, so you're not really gonna see it until you put on your shimmery eyeshadow. But like I said, you want this to kind of act as if like you are gonna cut your crease. I'm gonna take that really pretty rose gold shade, that one right there. Oh my god, I'm picking that up on a MAC 242 brush. I love this brush for like shimmery eyeshadows. And I'm gonna just pick a little bit up and spray my brush. And do you see how beautiful? Gagging.
To paint?
Yes, when I'm done working. I'm already almost finished. Look, I'm already almost done with the eyes.
Alright, Mommy, can I go paint by myself?
No! Another thing that I did so that way there wouldn't be a harsh gap between the outer corner and that lid shade is I actually took that pink right here, took up some of that pink, and I just tapped right in between this really pretty light shade, that one right there, and I just actually used that to set my brow bone. And for my inner corner, I actually took this highlighter. This is the MAC Extra Dimension Skin Finish in the shade Gleaming Blush. And I actually got this around the holidays. It came with like a little holiday set and it is so gorgeous. I'm actually going to be using this on my cheeks as well. Guys, I'm so mad. Everything on my counter just fell. And thank the Lord that my palette did not break, because it fell face forward and I thought like this tutorial was about to be a dub, because I thought I broke my Selena palette. But I didn't. But instead I broke my mirror, you guys. I'm gonna get 7 years of bad luck, yo. Oh my god, please pray for me. We broke a mirror during this fucking tutorial. And I don't need no more bad luck. I don't. For eyelashes, I will be using the Framed Beauty by China Belle. You guys know I love her lashes in the style Daddy's Girl. But she actually just sent me these. These are in the style Teenage Dream, which is literally perfect for this tutorial. Teenage dream, like so Selena. Yeah, these are what the eyelashes look like. Super fluffy and pretty. The lashes are on. So moving on to primer, I am going to be taking the Smashbox So Chill Coconut Primer Water Spray, and I'm also going to mix it up and also use the Touch and So No Poreblem Primer. So this one is going to give me some hydration and also prime my face, and this one is going to make my face feel so silky smooth and fill in all my pores. So like always, you want to make sure you're covering your shadow. Okay, I cannot skip this step anymore because it literally makes such a big difference. Now this is my favorite primer. I love the No Poreblem primer. If you guys have not tried it yet, girl, it is literally like the best. Okay, so moving on to foundation, I am going to be using, of course, the UOMA Beauty Foundation. Since my haul, I've been dying for my next video so I can try this. You guys actually let me know in the comments that it was pronounced UOMA Beauty, so thank you. I was struggling, girl. I was struggling. This is the UOMA Say What Weightless Soft Matte Hydrating Foundation. So I did get mine in the shade Fairlady TN3, and this is what the packaging looks like. Really, really cute. Whoa. No, I don't think. Let me shake it first. Let me shake it because that literally just no. No, oh my god, it exploded all in my cap. No. Like, it's super liquidy, better than the first time, but girl, that is super liquidy. Okay. Oh wow, the coverage is really pretty, but it literally looks so flawless on the skin. It kind of scared me at first because I was like, what? It made a giant mess. But you definitely have to give it a good shake before you apply it. But girl, like, side by side, sis, wow. I am literally shook right now. Okay, you guys, so I just got up and I actually went to go wet the sponge that it came with. This part doesn't feel as hard anymore, and it actually grew like 3 times the size, which is so amazing. I already feel like I'm gonna love this top part because it is so soft, you guys. It is crazy. This is the Hey Big Head Dual Density Sponge. So we're gonna use the black part. Okay, I already, it's so, You guys hear that? And it's picking up a lot of the product. I mean, it's a nice sponge. Like, it's not like mad hard or anything on the face. I just prefer like that squishy side. So honestly, I think we're just gonna use that side. Yeah, I like that side a lot better, to be honest. Yeah, I like the top side a lot better. Okay, honesty hour, I really like the coverage of the foundation. As you guys can see, even on my hand, it is starting to oxidize a little bit. Nothing crazy, but it definitely is oxidizing than what it looks like in the bottle. Now I'm gonna try the concealer. I did get mine in the shade T3, so this is what the concealer looks like. I'm gonna try this. Oh, that looks too dark. I could already tell. Oh wow, the concealer is really nice and it has really good coverage. Really like the coverage in the concealer. It's just not that bright. So I'm actually gonna go in just a little bit with my e.l.f. hydrating concealer just to brighten up. I definitely feel like that concealer definitely saved the day some. But yeah, you guys, this is the foundation and the concealer, as well as using the Big Head sponge. You guys can see it absorbs a lot of the product, so I'm gonna have to pass on the sponge. Love the foundation. Like, I am obsessed, and I do need a brighter shade in the concealer, and I will definitely be going online right now. But yeah, you guys, this is the foundation and the concealer. What do you guys think? Just to save some time, I am gonna do my cream contour and bronze and set my face with powder and things like that. I do that all the time on camera, so I will just come back when that's all done, and then we're gonna finish up the eyes and of course finish up the look. So yeah, you guys, this is what we have so far. So let me go ahead and finish up the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. So I pretty much finished up the rest of my face. I am still baking. Like I said, if you guys are wondering anything that I used on the skin, I will leave a full product list down in the description box. So first I'm gonna go in with the brown, and then I am gonna deepen it up with that chocolatey brown right there, and then I'm gonna slowly add a little bit of the reddish shade. Okay, that looks cute. Just for lips, I'm gonna take my lip liner. I have to sharpen it, but this is in the shade Spiffy from Morphe. The lip liner by itself. Now I'm gonna go in and add the lipstick. This is what the lipstick looks like. Super cute, and it does have this like rose detailing imprinted on the lipstick. You can't really see unless you like really zoom in, but yeah, this is actually a cream sheen, so it's not a matte finish or anything like that, and this is in the shade Selena Vibe. Oh, that's really pretty. That smell is like literally bringing me back to when I worked at MAC. Like, oh god, good times, good times. Oh, I think we cute. So I am just gonna go in with the Morphe. This is the luminous setting spray. I've been really enjoying this as well. Guys, so this is pretty much the finished look. I'm literally obsessed. Like I said, this literally took me down memory lane when I used to work at MAC. But yeah, you guys, I have to figure out what I'm gonna do with my hair. So let me go get my hair situated and I'll be right back to show you guys the finished look. All right, you guys, so I just do my hair in like a little messy bun with some bangs, you know, real Selena vibes. I do have my little itty bitty bamba bra on just to take some pictures. So yeah, that was it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy this one. Give this video a big thumbs up if you guys did enjoy this MAC Selena video. And yeah, thank you all for watching, and until next time, guys, bye.